Hey everybody, this is Jim, the manual labor part of Lynn's Garden in the Woods. Lynn is out moving mulch and compost. I'm going to give a little quick commentary on the project we've got going right now. We've lived out in this general area within a 2 or 3 mile radius of where we are now our entire 38 years that we've been married, and with homes, planting grass seed, rye is typically what we go with, but it's yellow sand. This geology is nothing but yellow sand, and it's always been a challenge to get grass going. We end up doing rye seed, and inevitably crabgrass takes over the entire system, which we have now. So we did a little section. We'll show you, we'll give you a little tour of what we've got going right now. We did a little section with a tiller. So we thought we were going to vinegar spray it, kill it, then seed it. We were debating chemicals that kill crabgrass, but you know, we've got grandkids running all over the place in bare feet, and we don't necessarily want that either. So we did a little section where we tilled up shallow, raked it up, planted seed, and we'll show you how that turned out. It looked great. So we are basically going to do the whole yard in that method versus vinegar or chemical. So take a quick look here and we'll show you what we've done so far. So this is it. I mean, it's crabgrass. It's patchy, sandy spots, ants, and it looks horrible. So we figured this fall we're going to need to do something about it, and here's what we've done so far. And this is the section we did that method for last week. And what a dramatic difference. I mean, it's a brilliant green grass that is taking hold, and it is dramatically better than crabgrass. So we are going to do the whole front end with this, and it's reasonable as far as the labor goes. And this is going to look dramatically better than crabgrass central. This is a section that we ran the tiller over very shallow, and you can see how it's pulling up the crabgrass. We rake it into little bundles and throw it in a wheelbarrow and just dump it in a woods edge compost heap, if you will.
Okay, I finished tilling up around the formal beds. Kept the tines pretty shallow just to kind of rake up the crabgrass, which is primarily what it is here. And I'm right now in the process of raking it up, putting it into the compost, a heaping compost pile. And then we're going to rake it out smooth, add a little bit of compost, get some seed, and then water it in. So get back to work.
The amount of work that Lynn and I accomplished today with this tilling, raking, smoothing, it's been pretty insane. But it is going to look, if it looks at all like our little section in the back here, and how nicely that's seated, this is going to look fantastic when we're done.